In this video, I want to talk to you about what are affiliate cookies.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
And what is their impact on your ultimate earnings? They are kind of understated, but they're actually very important to your eventual bottom line earnings. So let's talk about it. And it's, by the way, not the tasty cookies, right? That's the joke. Anyway, it's not that funny. So anyway, it's a small file that is placed by websites on your browser to remember your browser. It seems like it's something invasive, but in this case, as an affiliate, it's actually something extremely helpful to you. It's a good thing because for affiliates, it keeps a record of your referral. So let's say you referred somebody to some product, but they didn't buy right away after clicking on that product. They came back a day later and bought. That cookie that's set on that user's browser is going to be what that eventual website uses to credit your account with that commission, because that initial cookie that's set when they first came to the website from your site, that's what created the record of your referral. So if that user comes back with the same browser, you still get paid later. The question is, when later? So the affiliate cookies have an expiration date, and this is precisely what you need to be aware of. What is the expiration date of your affiliate cookie? Every offer has a different affiliate cookie expiration date. Some sites have only a 24-hour cookie, which is extremely short and not helpful, because literally if that person clicks on the product you're selling, doesn't buy today, but buys in next day, like 25 hours later, you do not get credit for the sale, even though you should. And some affiliate cookies, they go up to 3 months and sometimes even for a whole year. For a whole year, it's not that useful because probably after a year, that consumer probably moved on with their life. They don't want the product anymore. So a good affiliate cookie is at least 7 days, but usually a month to 3 months. That's what you'd like. Amazon, for example, they're known for having that very short affiliate cookie that's only 24 hours. So that's one of the dangers of Amazon. Amazon isn't that bad because they have things to counteract this, like they have strong back-end commissions, meaning they upsell more in your initial order, all of which you get paid for. But at the same time, the cookie length is quite short. And remember, cookie is per browser. So the danger here is if the user comes back on a different device or a different browser, maybe they came originally on a Chrome browser, but then minutes later they opened their Mozilla Firefox and then they use that browser, you do not get the referral. So that's also a danger of these cookies. Not all affiliate offers work through the cookies, but many of them do. So you have to be very aware and be careful. They can be your friend, but they can work against you. I want to give you an example of how to look for them. So here I am on CJ.com and I'm looking through different affiliate offers. They don't state the cookie length in the basic information that they list, so you kind of have to go and drill down. You open the listing. So what I would do is I would search for cookie and see if they discuss the cookie length. In this case, you see it's a 30-day cookie duration. That is actually good. So I'll close that and I'll open another offer and you'll see that I'm going to search for that word cookie here. These guys, they don't list that. So what happens if they don't list it? How do you find out the cookie? Sometimes it's actually hard to find, so don't spend too long looking for the cookies. But sometimes you can actually Google for a specific program. That same affiliate program, you can probably find more information about it either by emailing the person who's listed here and asking what is the cookie length. They may or may not reply. Usually they're not bad at replying. If they don't reply, you have another option. I saw in CJ.com, the 1-800-Postcards is an affiliate and their cookies are not mentioned. So what I did is I literally went to Google and I searched for 1-800 affiliate program. I found it here. This is their promotion page for their affiliate program. And then I just basically search for the word cookie. And then it does say here. It's not always going to say what the cookie length is, but this is a generous one. 45 days is good. Anything above 30 days, that's pretty good. Like you should feel happy about that. So that's how you find the affiliate cookies. Now you understand their impact on your sales. And also one last thing. If a person isn't even cookied, but they made an account, and that account from that initial visit gives you credit for the referral, then you don't have to worry about the cookie. Because when your customer who clicked your affiliate link signs up, then that account registration already has a record of your referral in it. So the cookie is not the only way to track things, but it is a very, very common way to track things. So you must be aware of it when you're choosing your affiliate offer.